Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. Sin2x, that is about 2 sin x, cosx. Cos2x, that is about 1 minus 2 sin x squared. So number 1 and number 1 in here we cancel, and now we just have only this one left. Now 2 sin x we can do about factorization. This one I will put on the left. Now negative will change the sign of sin x and cosine x. So cosine x minus sin x we can do about factorization. Now we have cosine x minus sin x equals to number 0, and 2 sin x plus 1 equals to number 0. So sin x I will put on the right. We know that cosine x we can change by sine of b over 2 minus x equals to sin x. This one we have sin x equals to negative 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. Sin A equals to B. So we will have about 8 equal to arc sine of B plus K to B. And we know that K belongs to integers. And the second one, 8 equals to B minus arc sine of B plus K to B. Now for the first one in here, we will have about B over 2 minus S equals to S plus K to B. And the second one, B over 2 minus S equals to B minus S plus K to B. So I will put S go to the left, B over 2 go to the right. So we have negative S equals to negative B over 2 plus k to b. And we see that negative s, they cancel each other, so we don't have solution in here. No solution. So this one we put like this: negative s, we have negative 2s. Now we divide both sides by negative number 2. Now let's go to the second one, side s equal to negative 1 over 2. So that should be about s equals to negative b over 6 plus k to b, and s equals to b plus b over 6 plus k to b, and this one we have 7b over 6. And now we have from negative b to positive b. So to find the value, we need to put this one change for s, so we can find the value of k. Now we simplify b for the both sides. So we put 1 over 4 go to the left and go to the right. So this one we have negative 5 over 4. And this one we have 3 over 4. Because we have the negative in here, so we put the negative for the both sides, and we have 5 over 4 is greater than or equal to k, and k is greater than or equal to negative 3 over 4. We know that k belongs to integers. So in this situation, we just have only k equal to number 1, k equal to number 0 in here. So we put this one go back in here, and then we will have s equals to, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we will have b over 4. Now I will put negative number 1 gone here, and positive number 1 gone here, and we have about negative 3b over 4. Now let's go to this one. So we divide b for the both sides. So negative 1 over 6 go to the left and go to the right. So this one we have negative 5 over 6. This one we have 7 over 6. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So k in this situation equal to number 0. And we put k equal to number 0 colon here. And we have s equal to negative b over 6. And the last one, we do the same. And we have k equals to negative number 1. So this one we have s equals to negative 5b over 6. So here is the solution we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.